Imagine you're traveling abroad. You've planned everything, from your flights to your accommodation. But what about your money? How do you exchange currency without getting ripped off? That's where YouTrip comes in. Today, we're going to dive into the question, how does YouTrip make money? Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was traveling through Europe. I needed to withdraw cash from an ATM, and when I checked my balance later, I realized I'd been charged a hefty fee. It was frustrating and unexpected. That's when I discovered YouTrip. They promised no hidden fees, competitive exchange rates, and the ability to use my card anywhere in the world. I was intrigued. How YouTrip works. So, how does YouTrip work? Essentially, it's a multi-currency wallet. You can load your card with different currencies, and when you make a purchase, the money is automatically converted at the interbank exchange rate. YouTrip also offers a cashback program called YouTrip Perks. When you use your card, you earn cashback on your purchases, which can add up over time. The revenue model, transaction fees. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How does YouTrip make money? The primary source of revenue for YouTrip is transaction fees. Every time you use your YouTrip card, there's a small transaction fee. This fee is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. It's important to note that this fee is usually lower than the fees charged by traditional banks. YouTrip is transparent about their fees. They clearly state the fees on their website and in their app. The value proposition, convenience and savings. While YouTrip does charge transaction fees, they offer significant value to their customers. Here's why. Convenience. YouTrip simplifies the process of managing your money while traveling. You can easily access your funds from anywhere in the world. Savings. By offering competitive exchange rates and cashback programs, YouTrip can help you save money on your travels. Security. YouTrip uses advanced security measures to protect your funds. The future of YouTrip. YouTrip is a relatively new company, but it has already gained a significant following. As they continue to grow, it's likely that they will explore new revenue streams, such as partnerships with other companies. However, it's important to remember that YouTrip's core business model will always be based on transaction fees. So, to answer the question, how does YouTrip make money? It's simple. YouTrip earns revenue through transaction fees. However, they offer significant value to their customers in terms of convenience, savings, and security. If you're planning to travel abroad, YouTrip is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.